What's going on, y'all? Shagasi Paris. Today I'm in here unboxing the package I got from Big Boi Prints. Stay tuned to see what's in that package, man. If you haven't already, come join the squad. We got a nice family environment, man, in this t-shirt community on Facebook. Y'all come join, tap in. If you haven't, Saturday nights we live here, Squad Talk Podcast. Me and Mike T's, man, it's streamed on my channel, streamed on his channel. So y'all come tap in, man. You never know who's gonna come in and drop some gems on you, man. We done had some real heavy hitters in there, you know. So check us out. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, man. I'm gonna see y'all in a second.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
All right, so let's see what we got. Man, shout out Big Boi Prints, man, for this. He will be seeing videos coming on the DTF soon, once I get it all figured out. Oh, that's dope. Check him out. Big Boi Inc. Man, y'all go check out Big Boi Prints, man. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. That packaging is nice, though. The labeling is nice. It's that blue to black, the white. And when I hear this one separates, so you gotta shake it up. What is that? The magenta. It's the yellows. I will get the prices for these bottles and put them down in the description for you. If you want to check him out, link him up. Shout out Big Boi. That's the inks. See what we got here. I don't know what the hell. So that's the film. Bigger than 13 by 19, Kenny. Oh yeah. It's the 13 by 19 size. That's the DTF transfer adhesive powder you put on the back. That's it. Man, shout out Big Boi Prints, man. Y'all go subscribe to Big Boi Prints here on YouTube. He got a Facebook group as well, Big Boi Prints. Y'all check him out. Like I say, man, a link for all this stuff is down in the description. So y'all go get with the Big Boi. And DTF videos coming soon with we converting the Epson Artisan 1430.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Shout out Big Boi Prints, man. DTF, man. I put a link in the description, man. Y'all go tap in, check him out. Seek Paris 12 going apparel. I'm gonna see y'all next time.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.